Team MH. I am Professor Sabina Sheikh. Today we are going to learn about models of communication. Now students, in my previous lecture we have learned about linear communication. Today we will learn what is interactive communication. Now quickly let's do a small recap. Talking about models of communication, it's a simple and systematic representation of the communication process, ideas, thoughts or concept which helps us to understand how communication can be carried out. Putting in simple words, it's a process which will help you all to understand how you can communicate in your personal and professional life. Now talking about three models of communication, we have linear model of communication, we have interactive model of communication, and we have transactional model of communication. Now linear model of communication I had explained in my previous video. Now giving you a small recap, in linear communication what happens is it's only one way communication. The sender sends a message but he does not receive any response from the receiver. So linear communication basically is a one way communication. Now we'll learn what is interactive communication today. So students, as the name indicates, in interactive communication there is a sender of the message as well as the receiver of the message. The main catch over here is the feedback. As you all can see in the green window, now in interactive communication there is a presence of feedback. Okay, now source is the sender of the message. Let's take A and B a friend. Now source is the sender of the message, that is Mr. A, and receiver of the message is Mr. B. Now Mr. A is sending a message to Mr. B via WhatsApp or Insta or Facebook, whatever. He wrote 5:30 in this message box and sent to Mr. B. Now upon seeing this message, Mr. B immediately understood that A wants them to study together at 5:30. So Mr. B quickly wrote OK in the message. This indicates that B has received the message and he has given also a feedback, that is OK. And this feedback is received from the sender of the message. There is a channel of communication, there is a message, there is a channel. Channel can be anything, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, whatever. And there is noise also present. Now noise again can be anything, people chit-chatting, vehicles, traffic, whatever. It can be anything. So when we compare linear to interactive, there is one addition, that is feedback. Okay, in linear communication, in linear model, it's only one way communication, but in interactive communication there is a two-way communication and feedback takes place in this model of communication. Now just we'll go through the features of interactive model. First is it's a two-way communication process. Okay, that means the sender and receiver both are speaking to each other, so it's a two-way communication process. Various media can be used. As I told you earlier, you can use any kind of media, be it WhatsApp, be it Insta, be it Facebook, message, whatever. And third point is there is a presence of feedback. Feedback takes place in interactive model. I hope this lecture, this video is interesting for you people and you have understood. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the chat box. Thank you so much for being with me, and in the next video we will understand what is transactional communication. Thank you.